What color are the books on the table? The key is in the pocket of my trousers. Look. Some people are swimming in the river. I don't like big cities. They are dirty and noisy. Do you like your job? Are there any cigarettes in the packet? He can't understand you because he doesn't speak English. Jane lives near the supermarket, so she goes there on foot. My sister always tells her children a story at bedtime. Is this your friend's car? Yes, it is. Where is the bank, please? It is at the end of the street. What can you see? I can see some cows and sheep in the field. He is a very good student. He always listens carefully to the teacher. Are there many questions in the test? No. There are only 50. Nada is a girl's name. Who is that woman over there, near the door? What time do you usually have lunch? About 1 o'clock. It's a nice house, but there isn't a garden. She wants to go to Germany to learn German. My grandfather doesn't smoke a pipe. I don't like the yellow skirt, but I like the red one. What's the weather like today? It's very windy. Can I help you, sir? Yes, give me another glass of water, please. How old is your grandfather? He is 88. I'm going to the post office. I need some stamps. Her father fixes cars. He's a mechanic. Oxford is famous for its university. His wife is in hospital. She is going to have a baby. I know him, but I forget his name at the moment. This meeting is very important. I mustn't be late. Don't forget to brush your teeth before you go to bed. If it isn't your bag, whose is it? I can't go to the concert next week. I'm working. I am not going out tonight. I want to stay home and watch TV. This party is very boring. I'm going home. The child is tired. She wants to go to bed now. My sister is getting married next December. It's too far to walk. Have you got a car? No, I haven't. It's a very good film. Really? What's it about? I haven't got my camera, so I can take any photos. I'm sorry, but we can't come to your party next week. Can you turn up the radio, please? It isn't loud enough. Do you think that capitalism is a good economic system? Where would you like to go this evening? Hurry up. We're going to miss the train. It's dark in here. Can you turn on the light, please? You mustn't make noise in the library. Where do you come from? From Ireland. I'm Irish. I don't want to watch this program. You can turn it off. We'll have to do it today.
Thanks for watching.